Today we are busting out that air fryer and we are about to make some fall off the bone barbecue ribs. Let's not waste any time and get right on into it. So we are going to begin with this slab of baby back ribs. I'm just gonna turn it over and we are gonna remove that membrane. You could use a knife or whatever that you have to kind of get under there a little bit. And you could use a paper towel to get a little bit of leverage, because it is very slippery, to basically pull it off. Sometimes it comes off in one nice piece. Sometimes it doesn't. And I think I got a pretty good hold of it right here. That's some of it right there. I gotta go back in and get the rest of it right here. Use that same napkin, kind of lift it up. And you're gonna pull that off. You just want as much flavor in these ribs as possible. And sometimes that membrane can act like a barrier. And being that this is going in the air fryer, we are gonna slice this into individual pieces. When you have it on the back side like this, it makes it a lot easier because you can see exactly where the bone is at and where it's curving. Just makes life so much easier. My knife is a little dull, so don't get at me. Leave me alone. So just continue until you have all your ribs sliced up, okay guys? As you can see, we have our ribs sliced up. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil and rub it all in, as we always do. Gotta give a nice luxurious massage. That massage adds like 10 plus flavor. Once you have that done, you're gonna go ahead and season it up. On the screen, I have everything listed to do so, and it will be listed in the description box as well. You wanna make sure you have your ribs well coated up in the seasoning right here, everyone. Mix it up. Sprinkle a little bit more. Come on now. We are never stingy. If you are not sneezing, you are not seasoning. And I feel a little sneeze coming. That's how I know I'm doing it right. I'm just gonna hold it in. All right, low key, I feel like I'm about to sneeze. I'm not even lying to you. But we have this seasoned up. Now don't lose me here. If you want your ribs to be tender out of the air fryer, we have to break some quote unquote rules, because a lot of people, they think boiled ribs are not good. Guys, we are just speeding up the process to get these bad boys tender. This one looking a little bit naked. But yes, we are just speeding up the process to get these bad boys tender. That's all we're doing. Trust me, these will be flavorful and crispy. Once they're done boiling for maybe about 20 minutes or so, they'll go right in the air fryer and they will be super crispy. Trust and believe me. We are pouring in about 2 cups of chicken broth. I'm kind of pouring it on the side. I don't want to wash off that delicious seasoning we have on the ribs. We're gonna top this off, boil it at about medium to medium high heat for about 20 minutes. Then we're gonna get it in the air fryer. All right, so I let these go for about 25 minutes. And this is how we're looking so far. They are ready to go in that air fryer. They're looking so good. Like I said, this just gives it a little bit of a head start so it's nice and tender. Plus, boiling them and all that seasoning, that thyme as well. I think I mentioned we have some fresh thyme in there. Adds so much flavor to this right here. We have that air fryer tray out and it is time to load these bad boys up. So just go ahead and get them in your tray. We are gonna air fry them at 400 degrees for about, I would say 15 minutes or so, or until you see they are golden brown and crispy, okay guys? All right, you wanna try to spread it out as much as possible. I mean, it is a lot of ribs, guys. So like I said, go ahead and close this up. And we're gonna let it do its thing for about 15 minutes at 400 degrees. All right, my timer is up. They are smelling good, looking good. I told you to trust me on this, man. I know this is far from traditional ribs, but trust me, look at that, man. Results do not lie. That is some beautiful stuff right there. So I'm gonna just transfer them all to a mixing bowl so we can sauce them up. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and warm up your favorite barbecue sauce and get it going so we can bust down on these bad boys. They are looking amazing. So I have my favorite barbecue sauce warmed up. We're just gonna pour that right over the top of our ribs right here. And after saucing them up, you can, you know, toss them back in the air fryer to get nice and sticky. But you know, I don't mind eating it just like this. You feel me? Add a little bit of the rest of that sauce there. Give them another toss. And we are pretty much ready to bust down, guys. Look at that, guys. Super hot, by the way. I just want to show you how easily that just shreds apart. Like butter, guys. Like butter. We are looking good, smelling good as always. Cannot wait to dig into this right here. Wow, oh wow. Let's not waste any time and just dig on in. Look at that clean bite. Clean bite straight through. Tender. Look at this. No effort. No effort. I could just, look, just break it apart. Super tender. Super delicious. Yes. Yes. And yes. Wow. This is another one. Straight banger, guys. I'm trying not to just sit here on camera and eat up all these ribs. They are that good. You know what I'm saying? They got a hold of me right now. You know what I'm saying? But go ahead and give these a try. These are just downright delicious, bro. Like, what can I say? These are some delicious behind ribs. Take no time, take no effort, super tender. Say goodbye to those chewy old ribs that you're used to, you know what I'm saying? And get you some tender ribs in your life, you know what I'm saying? You don't need a smoker to achieve a beautiful rib like this, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and give it a try. Thank you for watching today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down below what you think about today's video, as well as what you want to see on the next one. And I'll be sure to see you all on the next one. Deuces. Gotta finish these ribs.